Look around you. The average person will waste 1,460 hours next year, scrolling, complaining, waiting for permission. But you feel that restlessness in your bones, that 3 a.m. voice screaming, "This isn't who you're supposed to be." 2025 isn't just another year. It's your deadline. The world won't pause for you. So here's the plan. Disappear. For the next 90 days, you become a ghost. No explanations, no before photos, just the grind. Here's your survival kit, the body lab. Your physical form is now a controlled experiment. 5 a.m. cold plunges become your caffeine. Meal prep is your new meditation. That extra rep? That's you paying the entry fee to a club 99% will never see. The Mind Forge. While the world drowns in TikTok trends, you're mastering the lost art of deep focus. 90 minutes of undistracted study, 8 hours of distracted scrolling. Ancient philosophy meets cutting-edge science in your daily curriculum. Soul's construction site. Every night at 9:17 p.m. sharp. That's your architect hour. Blueprinting the version of you that makes current you seem like a rough draft. Day 22. You stop recognizing your old excuses. Day 47. Your reflection starts lying. The changes are happening faster than the mirror can show. Day 76. Your discipline becomes an addiction stronger than any vice you left behind. And then it happens. The moment your old self becomes just another ghost story, your return isn't an announcement, it's a detonation. Let them piece together the clues, the tailored suits that fit too perfectly, the calm that looks like arrogance, the bank statements you'll never show. They will call it an overnight success. You'll know better. The lab doors open at midnight. This is your last chance to disappear.